Hey guys, today we're excited to show you the incredibly useful and very innovative sponsored tool, Dr.Fone. The awesome new software that allows you to transfer data across mobile phones, repair both iOS and Android systems, and back up your data on your computer. With its cutting-edge technology, Dr.Fone has so many features that makes backups and data transfers so much easier. That way you never have to settle for losing precious moments and important information from your smartphone again. You can download Dr.Fone today using the link below. Let's take a closer look. With Dr.Fone, you no longer have to fear that your very important and valuable data on your phone will be lost forever when you run into problems. With its advanced repair system programmed both for iOS and Android phones, you can fix countless problems like being stuck on the lock screen or in recovery mode, as well as iTunes glitches and software problems. Simply plug in the phone that you want to repair to your computer and select whether you want it to work in standard mode, where it will retain all of your data, or in advanced mode, where your phone will be reset. You may also need to input information about your phone, like its model as well as your mobile carrier. And once your setup is complete, Dr.Fone will immediately fix your phone to your liking, making your life so much easier. In addition, with Dr.Fone, you can transfer between iOS and Android devices simply by plugging in both devices and selecting which phone will give the data and which will receive it. Whenever you want to secure your phone's data to your computer, you can upload a wide variety of different types of content like photos, music, and WhatsApp conversations, which you can transfer to different devices. In addition to WhatsApp, Dr.Fone also allows you to upload conversations from a variety of different chat apps like Line, Viber, Kik, and WeChat. With a safe and secure location to store all of your phone's data, you no longer have to worry about losing anything when you change devices. Dr.Fone keeps all of your data protected and lets you transfer it to your new phone with ease. With its intelligent algorithms, Dr.Fone automatically locates all of the important data on your phone and gives you the option to select which specific files you want to back up. This process is fast and efficient, and tech knowledge is not required when using this software. This way, anyone can use Dr.Fone to store and retrieve data. With so many incredible features, Dr.Fone is bound to have something for everyone, making your life so much easier. With this incredible, helpful, unique program, you can transfer data between devices and fix software issues like never before. Dr.Fone has fast transfer rates, high quality backups, and a wide variety of device and app compatibility for all of your needs. Be sure not to miss out on Dr.Fone's Black Friday sale, where you can get up to 85% off a full license. You can download Dr.Fone today using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy.